He is a trillionaire manje and akasebenzisanga eyakhe imali. He used eyakho. The truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama, let me explain to you the game. Ongasoze uyidlale wena. Asiqale. All roads are leading to 2030 and Elon Musk knows that. Everyone knows that except for wena because wena you are umntomnyama oloyal. You are umntomnyama obedient who believes ukuthi imali is the root of all evil. Elon Musk had a problem. He needed imali eningi and he needs it before 2030. And so he decided ukuthi no man, une company and le company it's called SpaceX. SpaceX was founded by Elon Musk in 2002. At the beginning, ekuqaleni, it was worth nothing. Ama-rockets abo didn't even make it past the first layer of the atmosphere. Abavela qhume. Understand ukuthi eventually SpaceX started to succeed. It became the world's biggest private, ungalikhohlwa lelo gama, private space company. And then yathola i-contract ukuthi basebenzele uNASA. Babakhele ama-rockets. That's when SpaceX became big. Let's go back asibuyele emuva. SpaceX is a company that creates ama-rockets. Lama-rockets abawu-2, they are attached to a spaceship and then meseyanyuka. Once afike kwi-space, they detach wo-2 from i-spaceship and i-spaceship ihambe yodwa. Wona ama-rockets abuye alende. That's the important part. Ama-rockets e-SpaceX ayalenda kahle. That saves imali for uNASA. That's why uNASA only buys ama-rockets from Elon Musk. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama. You remember when I said ukuthi Elon Musk udinga imali eningi? Understand ukuthi ngoJune 2026, ikhampani ya-Elon Musk, i-SpaceX, went public on i-stock market and became the world's largest IPO, initial public offer. That means ukuthi abantu that control the market decided ukuthi they will value SpaceX at 2 trillion. Understand? Zero, you're losing me. Understand? Listen to me. Elon Musk needed imali. So he took a SpaceX and made it public. Mangithi he made it public, I'm saying ukuthi uthathe ama-shares, i-percent lama-shares from i-company yakhe and tossed it ebantwini. And abantu instantly reacted, bathenga. The more they buy, the richer he gets. When SpaceX officially went public on the market, it was selling at 272.22 cents per share. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi the minute it went public, abantu went crazy. Bakhipha iy'mali zabo lezi zokugcina, ama-savings okugcina to go buy ama-shares e-SpaceX. Now, ama-investor that originally owned ama-shares with SpaceX were selling. So it became a buy-sell market. The rich get richer and abahluphekayo babahlupheka more. According to Forbes, after SpaceX went public, Elon Musk was left with 38% share of the company yakhe, SpaceX. Since SpaceX was valued at 2 trillion, you times that by 38% and then you ultimately get imali engango 820 billion asala nayo ayithola from SpaceX nje alone ngoJune. Hlakanipha-ke and remember ukuthi he doesn't own SpaceX kuphela. He owns Tesla, he owns Starlink, he owns Hyperloop, Neuralink, OpenAI, all these companies. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi SpaceX ama-shares akhe are valued at 820 billion. UTesla ama-shares akhe are valued at 284 billion. Hlanganisa konke lokho together, you now understand why he is a trillionaire.